Hi, if you're looking for a wireless headset that's perfect for both work and personal use, you're going to enjoy the Poly Voyager 4320 UC. This headset is made for today's world, whether you're working from home, in the office, or jumping between the two. With the Voyager 4320, you get crystal clear sound, wireless freedom, and comfort all day long. One of its standout features is its long wireless range. You can move around up to 50 meters away from your device without dropping your call or music. That's super helpful if you like to stretch your legs or grab a coffee during a meeting. The dual microphone boom is also a game changer. It reduces background noise and focuses on your voice, so even if you're in a noisy environment, you'll sound clear and professional. It's perfect for video calls, voice chats, or even online classes. Worried about wearing it all day? Don't be. The lightweight design and padded ear cushions make it super comfortable to wear, even for long hours. Now let's talk about battery life. You get up to 24 hours of talk time and 47 hours of listening time on one charge. And here's the cool part. It comes with an optional charging stand. Just place the headset on the stand and it charges neatly. No wires, no hassle. It's a clean and easy way to keep your headset ready at all times. You also get a USB-A or USB-C dongle for easy plug-and-play connection. It works great with Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and other platforms. So, if you're looking for a reliable, comfortable, and feature-rich headset, the Poly Voyager 4320 UC is a fantastic choice. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech videos.